My name is Caitlin Sapp. We're over here on Crestview Road, kind of in the middle of nowhere, Leetonia, Ohio. I knew I was gonna build a house. I sent Mike an email. He gave me a quote. In finding Baird Brothers and their fine hardwood products, if you look around the house, we have the doors, the casing, the trim, the hardware, the feature walls. Building a home in the first year of my baby's life was just insane and crazy. But what I did know is that it was in good hands and I was gonna get an amazing home built. Finding Savko and finding this piece of property was the ability for me to make that feel like home. Cognitive overload, decision fatigue as the client, I was able to eliminate that with the help of my Savko, with the help of Baird Brothers, and now we're home and it just feels so good.